In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a wooden digital alarm clock. Well, it's not, it's wood imitation digital alarm clock. And just looking over it here, it's got a clear large display, USB port going out, which I definitely like that. Dual alarms. And it's made by the company Golazar Digital Alarm Clock, wooden alarm clock. Nicely packaged in there. You always like seeing that. What do you get with this thing? Oh, you get a little power brick, which it's always nice to get a power brick because you rarely see those nowadays. You get your cable. So you see how it looks. It has this wooden type look to it, which looks really good. This power cable is going to go right in the back right there. You get a little backup battery right here. You can set it right there, the high and low on the dimmer and volume. That's really nice. It's got a big snooze button on the top. You see how that snooze button works right there? And the time, the alarm. Let me plug it in and show you what this thing looks like. Okay, now that I got it plugged in there, that was pretty simple. Is there a case, a little piece of plastic on the front? Peel that off. The dimmer's on the right, on the left there. It can dim all the way down to nothing. You see that? And very bright. And the volume on the alarm is right there. And then it's got a USB charging out right here, which is really handy. You know, it's a 5 volt, so it's coming out right there, so it charges your iPhone or Android or something like that. This is something I think everybody should have. You know, alarm clocks are kind of getting a little further and further away with our cell phones, but I like having an alarm clock because when I pick my phone up at night, I always end up scrolling through it. I like the fact that I can have an alarm clock that just gives me the time and sets the time to get up. That way I'm not keep picking up my phone and looking through it. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the wooden alarm clock. See you all in the next video.